Too many times an executor will just start paying bills as they come in, and that can be a problem if there is not enough money to cover everything. In Pennsylvania, there is a specific order in which bills have to be paid, and an executor who doesn't follow that order can be held personally liable for the bills. As a rule of thumb, an executor should wait up to a year for all bills to come in and the estate's assets to be turned into cash. Then the bills can be paid in the proper order until the money runs out and the executor is not on the hook. The Pennsylvania Estates and Fiduciaries Code spells out the order in which debts should be paid, and it gets complicated, which is why it's important to consult with an experienced estate law attorney. Generally speaking, there are 6 tiers of debt, with the highest priority going to the cost of estate administration, including attorney's fees, probate fees, and court fees. Claims filed against the estate by the federal government also can fall into this category. If the executor reaches a tier in which all the creditors cannot be paid in full, then the creditors would receive a pro rata share of the remaining funds. Creditors in lower tiers would not be paid. To learn more, visit abc27.com/gooddaypa for an in-depth article by a Scaringi & Scaringi estate law attorney. If you're in need of legal help, you can always speak to one of our attorneys by calling 717-657-7770 or visit scaringilaw.com. And remember, in any situation, it's always important to know your rights.